Hi guys, welcome to Olive's Tree. I'm Mandy and I'm one of the 12 branches on my mum, Olive's Tree. So I want to make some sour cream. Okay, just have a look at what I've got here. Bring you down a bit where you can see. There we go, that's better. All right, so I've got, this much cream out of a 600, 600 ml. And in this jar, I've got the whey from butter that I made a few days ago and the last spoon of sour cream that I had in the fridge. So you can see it's, quite lumpy and it smells just like sour cream, as it should. All I'm going to do, I'm not going to heat this up or anything. These have all been pasteurized previously. I'm just going to pour in the cream or as much as I can. Okay, so crisis averted. We're going to have to take a different approach. I do have a beautiful big jar that I often use, but I have stuff in it. So I can't use that. So what I'm going to do is tip it all into this jug. You don't really need to scrape every bit out. There'll be enough culture, sorry, you can't see, enough culture in here to get our sour cream going. I'm just going to give it a stir. Just want to make sure it's evenly distributed. It's just so easy to do. Just get my spoon out and I'm just going to, actually I might wash this jar. I'll be back. All right, so I've given it a rinse out with some boiling water. There's still a bit of, leftover stuff on the side. That's going to be fine. So I'm just going to pour into here an amount that I think is okay, unless I can get it all in with the lid on. I just don't want it to spill. Look, I think it's going to be fine. I think I was worrying about nothing. And you can't see a thing again. Alrighty, so I'm just going to sit this to the side and forget about it for 24 hours. And then I'm going to come back and taste it and see what I think of the acidity and the culture level. It's that simple, guys. So see you back in a day. Alrighty, so it's been 24 hours and it's time to have a taste of the sour cream, just so we can see how it's going. We can check the thickness of what as well, and I can see there that that's not thick enough, and I will taste it, but it's not ready, but we're well on our way, so very pleased with that. Yum. Yep, we're getting there. It's actually starting to get all those lovely characteristics that sour cream has, and its flavour profile, or whatever you want to say. So let's sit it again and I'll check it again in another 24 hours. Hi guys, welcome back. We're about to taste test the sour cream and I'm excited because it's just so easy to do. So if you remember, I put it into this mason jar. And obviously, you remembered what I did, which was just adding cream to some leftover whey from homemade butter. And I put a tablespoon or two of sour cream that was on date, just about to go bad, that was left in the fridge. I stirred it into the whey, let it sit out overnight for 24 hours, and it cultured beautifully. And then I added it to some cream. Look how thick that is. It is so thick. No matter how far I dig down, it's thick. It is absolutely beautiful. And I'm just going to use this now. You would, you get at the supermarket, but you've made it yourself. You've made it with leftover whey from your butter. A little bit of sour cream you weren't going to use that was in your fridge going bad. You've utilised that, and we've used some cream. And I'll give it a little taste. Why would you buy it? I am really looking forward to a potato tonight with some chives out of the garden and some of this sour cream. Now, this sour cream will keep for a few weeks, just like your normal store-bought. Okay, guys, so I've got my baked potato ready. It's just, the time has just gone off on my cassouris, so let's get this potato dressed up. Got a nice big bowl here, and I really like it when the skin becomes, you know, a bit, what would you call it? You know, thick and chewy, and I like that on a baked potato. I was going to put some tuna on here as well, but I don't really think I feel like that. I think I just want something simple, and so I've just put on some salt. It's not coming out very well though, is it? I think because the weather's been so moist here. Okay, and oh, hang on. Oh, what's Alrighty. I'm going to have a couple of tomatoes in there as well. And I want the cheese to go on here. I'm going to put a little bit of sour cream. I'd like the cheese to go there first. I know this is a sour cream video, but if we're making a meal, let's make it how we're, you know, how we want to eat it. This is the silliest grater in the world. Maybe it's me, actually, because that's working quite well. Okay, how am I going? Tiny little bit. Oh, dear. It always looks like so much when you grate cheese, and then when you look back at how much you've taken off, you realise it really wasn't that much at all. All right, so I'm going to put a little bit of sour cream on this. I want it to soak into the potato a little bit. So I'm going to, and look, if you're on a diet, look away right now. I'm not. I need to keep up my weight so I can keep having treatment. So I'm just going to keep going. Okay. That sour cream's amazing. Nice twist of black pepper and a really, really big of fresh chives. Now I'm going to need just a little bit on the top for presentation. So now that we have that, let's just a little screenshot for thumbnail. And I think, do you think that looks okay, that sour cream? I mean, I know I'm putting a lot on, but I want the thumbnail to have a, you know, I want it to be on that sour cream. Anyway, guys, take care. Hope the world's treating you all kindly, and bye for now.